angels wont flee from me and stray afar. Wrath and grief have I many a day suffered. Well, it is time that I leave them where they are. Full of fair one
I so long a time have loved, whoever love was wont to bar me from a star.
newly has made a peace with me unmoved.
Now will she give and grant me not to mar
A pure love which I have so long desired, which made me think by day and watch by night. Hey, God of love, how great your seignory! You who can lovers both slay and save aright.
To one you give death, to others you give life.
One you make languish, another laugh and delight.
You slew me once, now you have given me life. Above all things I must adore your might, for from the one who was my enemy rife,
You've made my friend,
so I must love your right. Now I shall sing of you all my life's flight, and shall serve and honor love with all my
ah, sweet creature in whom I have my faith. For God I pray you, do not forget my worth.
Since it is so that love by her powers reigns,